Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the fantastic Portimao Blue G20 330i M Sport. So alongside that superb exterior colour, the vehicle features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, including a set of brand new 20-inch 795M style alloy wheels finished in frozen black. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2019 plate. Of course comes with these superb LED headlamps. Down the side of the car, matching those alloys very nicely, you'll see the frozen black YNC side vinyls along with gloss black sidebars. Again, all of the G20 330i M Sports come with the superb M Sport Plus brakes. Alongside the very nice Portimao blue colour, you can of course see the car comes with the sun protection glazing, which works very nicely with that exterior colour. Another feature for this vehicle that works nicely with the exterior is of course the superb Oyster Leather, which is currently being illuminated very nicely with the ambient lighting feature, which is currently set in blue. However, that is all interchangeable of something to your preference. It of course has that superb all new 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall touch more upon the interior features shortly. Being a G20 Model 3 series, the car comes packed with innovative technology and features. In the rear you do of course get a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and a superb darkened M Sport headlining, which works in very nice contrast with that lighter interior colour. Before heading to the very rear of the car, again I want to show you and highlight how nice these frozen black 20-inch alloys work against the Portimao blue. Again, a feature that I really do like on the newer BMW models is the 3-dimensional rear lights. And as you can see over here, we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. It comes of course with a rear facing reversing camera, and the G23 series comes with a very nice size boot, and they now all come with split folding seats as standard, and we can demonstrate that for you in just one second. Heading round towards the driver's side of the car, again I'll just take a couple of seconds to show you that the Portimao blue working very nicely with all of the additions we've made, and of course being a exceptionally clean and tidy example. And we'll quickly just demonstrate how much extra room having that split folding seat as standard now gives you. Popping that back down, again you can see that just frees you up a little bit more to have larger items in the boot of a saloon vehicle. And now going ahead, taking a seat inside the vehicle to of course just demonstrate a few of the major talking points and features, because as I mentioned with G20 3 series, they are packed full of technology. Starting the car up on your lovely touchscreen professional wide navigation and media screen. So starting with the sat nav, being touchscreen, it makes it really simple and user friendly. You can see there you can pinch zoom, you can tap in to set destinations much like you would on your smartphone device. However, if you're not a fan of using touchscreen, down here you've still got your iDrive scroll wheel. And we can back out to the home screen and swipe across to see the other menus, including some really useful bits of information like local traffic information. We've also got news and weather, as you can see there, and we'll go across and take a look at the communication. And on this car we've also got regular Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring as well. Great way of keeping you connected there. In terms of multimedia, it's of course got DAB, it's also got Spotify, connected music, music collection, and of course Bluetooth audio along with regular USB inputs. However, should you want to keep this USB slot free for charging passenger devices, there is also a USB-C type charging port in just underneath the armrest as well. Moving on to some other cool technology, i.e. that rear facing reversing camera that also comes with park assist and a reversing assistant. And of course, being a M Sport model, it does come with the all important Bmw Ai Assist. So we can simply, upon call up the AI assistant, and she can set commands for us like setting the sat nav, or even little commands like turning our heated seats on. Moving back over to the wonderful BMW Live Cockpit, again you can see there I've got it up in its map view, but that central portion here is all interchangeable. So say if you didn't like that, you can of course customize it to something of your preference. In terms of activating the car's sport modes, being a 330i, we can configure an individual sport mode. So say if you preferred the steering in comfort whilst you preferred everything else in sport, that is certainly achievable, as you can see there. And these are a fantastic overall engine for both sporting feel and of course fuel economy. We've got the all new 8-speed cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The car itself has covered, once it goes through the messages, thank you, 28,000 miles, as you can see there. And hopefully guys, you've enjoyed this walk around video of yet again another superbly presented G23 series here at Your Next Car. If you do want to get in touch with us here, we will of course answer any questions we are able to. All of the contact information is always down below in the description, along with website links as well. Thanks very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourself very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.